and today I want to share with you this quick project. It is, well, could be a mini album, could be a junk journal. I mean, it's in between, let's say. So basically, I decided that I wanted to use my Cinch and use some leftover stuff that I had in my stash. So after the walkthrough, you'll have a quick a craft with me, let's say, where I show you how to make this. So the measurements, let me see, it's 5 by 6.5 for the cover, and it's a heavyweight chipboard. It's pretty sturdy, and it's a Cinch binding. So on the cover I have added a title, which is Hope, and a little bow that I got from Alina Craft. You'll see how I put it together in the little do it with me after the flip through. So when you open it, here you have the first page. I haven't put anything here, but there could be a pocket or whatever. Here there's a transparency page, and all the pages have this shape here. And all these papers were in my stash, laying pieces of them, and so I decided to make several projects using them. I've made a little booklet just like so with the Cinch as well, but a tiny one. Give me a minute, I'll show it to you. Yeah, this is it. I'll show it to you in a minute. So here I've made little tuck spots with some shapes that I had cut as well. Everything that's here was just laying on my crafting table and boxes. Yeah, so a few stamps here and there. I've inked all the edges, most of them at least. Added some shapes that were laying in my craft room. And yeah, very simple, very plain little booklet. Here's a little shape that can be used when decorating the journal. Here, another smaller shape, and here there's a tuck spot with this little tag that I made and decided to add here. So yeah, plenty of space to put pictures, to journal. I mean, whatever you desire. So yeah, all these are leftovers, even the stickers, they were there. So I decided to, yeah, put them all together and get the project out of it. So yeah, that's my little project. Very plain, you must admit. So here's a little glassine envelope that I have glued. I've cut it to fit the page, and I've glued it here, and then in it I've put this little tag that I'd made. You've probably seen it in one of my, either on my Instagram, which is Kelly Malaika, I'll put it here, or in one of my project share. So it was there in my stash. I never used it, so yeah, I've used this little butterfly as a tuck spot. And yeah, so like I say, very plain little journal. That's the last page. There's a little tag that I have added here, and I've put this little thing here. I will put my stamp here, and just to let you know, this is going to be given out to one of my subbies, one of you. All you need to do to be entered is be a subby to begin with, and then share this video, just so someone else can get the idea of doing something with their leftovers, whatever is in their stash. And the second one, I've made a little charm, and the pages are much smaller, obviously, but all this was in my stash. So I've used my tag die and pages, embossing folders. So those are little ideas that you can use your scrap for. I really enjoyed myself. Tried to so it's a very simple one, but look at this, look how cute. These were all leftovers. I've mixed and matched them, tried to at least. So yeah, I love this page as well. So this is the second little one. As you can see, it's small leftovers, and yeah, they're laying here, and we don't use them, so decided why not. So yeah, that's the second one. So basically you have these two journals, and right now stay tuned, and you will see how I created that one here. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you around soon. Happy crafting. Bye.